Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the X-Chair standing desk. This desk promises to combine affordability with a host of features, making it an attractive option for those looking to enhance their workspace. The X-Chair standing desk is a dual-motor, electric desk designed for ease of customization and quick assembly. It boasts a range of sizes and customization options, allowing you to tailor it to your specific needs. It comes equipped with a digital keypad featuring 4 programmable height presets, which is a nice touch for easy adjustment throughout your workday. One of the standout features is its ease of assembly. Unlike many standing desks that can be cumbersome to put together, the X-Chair standing desk can be assembled in about 10 minutes, thanks to its thoughtful design and included tools. The desk offers multiple customization options, including different desktop sizes, shapes, and colors, catering to various home office setups. However, one drawback noted in reviews is the noise level of its dual motors. When adjusting height, the desk can get quite loud, which might be a consideration if you work in close proximity to others or prefer a quieter environment. Additionally, the desktop material, especially the black laminate option, tends to attract dust, requiring frequent cleaning to maintain its appearance. Reviewers have found the desk to be stable during use but noted a slight wobble when fully extended to standing height. This might be something to keep in mind if stability is a priority for your workspace. Overall, the X-Chair standing desk offers a compelling package for its price range. It's a solid choice if you're looking for a customizable, electric standing desk that won't break the bank. While it does have its minor drawbacks, such as noise and dust accumulation, its ease of assembly and comprehensive customization options make it a strong contender in the standing desk market. That wraps up our review of the X-Chair standing desk. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and product insights here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.